Good morning, dear hearts. We are on lesson 179 of our review, coming close to the completion of it today and tomorrow, and then this review is complete. And this review, we've been given a central thought, a statement to use to guide us through this review, and that is, of course, God is but love, and therefore so am I. And what we were told in the beginning of the introduction to this review is that this statement, that God is but love and therefore so am I, can be used to clarify, and I'm going to say expand, some aspect of each and every one of the lessons that we are reviewing. The lessons that we are reviewing today are 167, 168. 167 is there is one life, and that I share with God. And it is preceded by God is but love, therefore so am I. When we first received and found lesson 167, there is one life and that I share with God, it started by telling us that life is like truth and it's like love, that it is all encompassing and it has no opposite. So life, one life, I share it with God. It is one. Life is one. God is love, and that is one. Love is one. God is one. Truth is one. Life is one. All encompassing, whole and complete in how it is received, how it is given to us, and how we will get to understand it. That anything that is all encompassing has no opposite, cannot have any opposite in truth. In the illusion, we may think that there is an opposite to life, and as the lesson says, you call it death, but it is not real. So only what is real is whole and one. God is whole and one. God is love. And because we are the extension of God, therefore, so am I, so are you. So going into the introduction for the review, as I have been doing, and finding parts of it that I believe also enhance each lesson that we are reviewing. So for there is one life and that I share with God, within the 5th paragraph of the review, and of course actually this varies depending on which version of the course you have, which edition, if you have Circle of Atonement or you have Foundation for Inner Peace or Original, because it is different. So if I'm telling you a certain paragraph, it's based on Foundation for Inner Peace. So in the Foundation for Inner Peace version, edition, there is one life and that I share with God, and I expand it with, let us raise our hearts from dust to life as we remember. This is promised us, and that this course was sent to open up the path of light to us and teach us step by step how to return to the eternal self we thought we lost. There is one life. That one life is that eternal self. And that one life, that eternal self, is that the one that I share with God, that we all share with God. And God is but love, and therefore so am I. The second lesson for the review is, your grace is given me, I claim it now. God is but love, and therefore so am I. And for this, and I've gone into this paragraph before, there's so much information in each of these paragraphs and each of these lines, and they can easily be applied to any of the lessons. I'm looking for the ones that, for me, I think speak the most to the lesson and the review, and that I think for me are the clearest and clarify it the most. And that I'm sharing it with you, and hope that you also can find the same upliftment and clarity that I have found. So, again, for your grace is given me, I claim it now. Let this review be then your gift to me. For this alone I need, that you will hear the words I speak and give them to the word. world. You are my voice, my eyes, my feet, my hands, through which I save the world, the self from which I call to you, but the self to which I call to you is but your own. To him we go together. Take your brother's hand, for this is not a way we walk alone. In him I walk with you, and you with me. Our Father wills his Son be one with him. What lives must not then. What lives but must not then be one with you. It's a very it's a very difficult sentence. It is, of course, very Shakespearean. So let me try that one more time. What lives but must not be then one with you. So basically, whatever lives must be one with you. We can eliminate the negative there. Because whatever does live is one with you, and your grace is given me. I claim it now. All of these ideas are part of the grace that we are given from our Father as we take our brother's hand, because it's not a way we walk alone. His grace is given us to walk with him, and we are given the use of his voice and his eyes, his ears, his feet to save the world. God's grace will save this world, and it is something that is definitely useful at this moment, every moment while we're in an illusion, but definitely this one. So I hope this helped. Please like, please share, please subscribe, please comment, please definitely pray, and please be here tomorrow. We will complete this review with God's grace. And that is it for now. We know our prayers work. All we need to do is to pray. Namaste.